Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to your social studies class. Dear children, today we will be learning about our new chapter, that is our lesson number 4, the Western Desert. And in this chapter, we will be covering the points which are climate and natural vegetation of desert regions. डेजर्ट रीजन्स वो रीजन्स होते हैं जहाँ पर हमें हर जगह सैंड ही दिखता है, उसे हम हिंदी में रेगिस्तान भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर एंड वाटर सप्लाई. एज वी ऑल नो देयर इज स्केर्सिटी ऑफ वाटर इन डेजर्ट रीजन्स. सो the shortage of water and how water is supplied to desert regions by other states. Then we have ship of desert. Who is the ship of desert? You know that? Correct. It's camel. So we will learn about it as well. Then life of people living in desert region. How the people are living over there, we will learn about that as well. So now let's watch the video and understand more about the desert regions.
Rajasthan is divided into two parts by the Aravalli Range. The western side is covered with sand and consists of the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. It extends from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. The Great Indian Desert covers a large part of Rajasthan. A desert is a vast area of flat land covered with sand. It is also called the sandy plain. Some hills of sand are called sand dunes. When strong wind blows, these sand dunes tend to shift. These storms are called dust storms and are a common feature in Rajasthan. Climate and natural vegetation. The climate of the desert is very hot and dry throughout the year.
So dear children, we are learning about the climate and natural vegetation of desert areas. As we all know, desert regions में बहुत ज़्यादा heat होती है and there people suffer because of that heat. So now we will learn that how the things are there in the desert area and वहाँ पे vegetation किस तरह का होता है. So let us move on and understand about the natural vegetation and climate.
Rainfall is scanty, which leads to shortage of water. Summer season is marked by hot days and cool nights. During winters, days are warm, but nights are extremely cold. There is hardly any vegetation. Only thorny bushes, different varieties of cactus and pecan grow here. At some places, underground water comes to the surface. Such places are known as oases.
So dear children, what are oases? Oases are the parts where the people can get underground water. Is it clear? So underline this point in your textbook that what exactly oasis is. Next we have
Tea palms are grown here as the soil around the oasis is quite fertile. Villages are found around an oasis. A karma is a large group of people traveling across the desert. They normally rest near the oasis after a long journey through the hot desert. There is a huge shortage of water as rainfall is very little. As a result, desert region remains hot and dry. Streams are few. The government has taken certain steps to ease the difficult life of the people living in the desert. Waters of Satluj and its tributaries now reach the deserts through the Indira Gandhi Canal, also known as.
So, because of the scarcity of the rainfall, there is a scarcity of water as well. But now, with the help of Satluj river and its tributaries, water is supplied with the help of Rajasthan Canal. It is also known as Indira Gandhi Canal. So dear children, you have to mark all these points. Now let us see what do we have next.
As the Rajasthan Canal. This has changed the life of people and also made the desert green. Around Canal, green fields have come up over a period of time. Farmers grow wheat, gram, bajra, jowar, and maize. Suratgarh near Ganganagar has grown into the biggest and largest wheat farms in Asia. Ship of the desert. The camel is known as the ship of the desert. It is the most efficient mode of transportation in the desert. The camels have padded feet and can walk as well as run on loose sand. They can stay without water and food for a long time. Dust storms do not affect their vision. Camel skin is used to make tents and its hair is used to make clothes. Camels are used for plunging fields as well as for drawing water from wells. Life of the people. Life of the people is very difficult. Due to shortage of water and scanty rainfall, people can't grow many crops. Settlements normally flourish around an oasis. Many people live like nomads. They do not have permanent homes and move around from one place to another in certain.
Very important point, dear children. The people living in the desert areas are mostly nomads. वो अपने कारवान में they move from one place to another place. उनका कोई fixed residential place या फिर house नहीं होता. And because of that they are known as nomads, means बंजारे.
Search of pasture for their animals, food and means of livelihood. They are also called banjaras. Most houses in the desert region have small windows and flat roofs. The houses remain cool as the walls are thick. Some houses have underground water tanks to store water. People are cheerful despite the hardships. They love to sing and dance. Both men and women wear colorful and bright dresses. Men wear white dhotis with bright kurtas and turbans. Women wear colorful ghagra, cholis and ordis. Gangor, Teej, Holi, Dashera, Diwali and Eid are some of the important festivals celebrated here. Jaipur is the capital city. It is also called the Pink City. The Thar Desert is the great tourist attraction. Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Kota and Udaipur are also popular tourist destinations. People visit forts, palaces, temples and some even go to the heart of the desert to see dunes.
So dear children, here we are done with our lesson for the Western Desert, where we learned about the deserts, the shape of desert, the life of people living over there, the climate, the vegetation, the famous places for tourists and various temples, the festivals, their types of clothes they wear. Now dear children, it's time for your work from home. What do we need to do? Where is the Great Indian Desert located? You know that place, right? You can go through your textbook and you can refer the answer. What are dust storms? What are dust storms? You need to define, you need to state the meaning of this. Then, what are oases? You know it, what are oases? Then, why is there shortage of water in desert areas? So dear children, as and when you are done answering these questions, do send me a photo shot so that I can go through it and I can know that you all are clear with the chapter or not. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Take care dear children. God bless you all.